Welcome. In this video, you'll learn exactly how to install the X app on your device. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reinstalling it for an update, this quick walkthrough will guide you step by step so you can start using it right away. Let's get started. First, open the App Store on your device. You'll usually find the App Store icon on your home screen. Tap it once to launch it. Once the App Store is open, tap the Search tab, usually located at the bottom of the screen. In the search bar at the top, type in X app. Make sure to spell it correctly to get the best search results. After typing, tap the search button on your keyboard. Now, look through the results and find the official X app. It should display the familiar logo and the developer's name right beneath it. To begin the download, tap the button that says Install or Download. Depending on your device's setup, you might need to enter your password, use Face ID, or Touch ID to confirm. Once you confirm, the download will begin automatically. You'll see a loading circle or progress bar showing how much of the installation is complete. Try to keep your device connected to Wi-Fi to make the process quicker and save your mobile data. After the installation finishes, the button will change from Install to Open. Tap the Open button to launch the X app for the first time. And that's it. You've successfully installed the X app. From here, you can sign in with your existing account or create a new one to get started. Now you're ready to explore everything X has to offer. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials to keep your apps up to date.